Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube Creative Studio. Today I prepared a video tutorial for you how to crochet this super easy, just 3 rows star. This cute little silver star is amazing as a decoration for holidays, for Christmas, or as an ornament or applique. I love to make appliques on the gifts and presents. The pattern notes are available as always in the description box right below this video tutorial, and written pattern is for free on my blog. So guys, let's get started. This is a really quick and easy work for beginners. I will use yarn Macrame Ideo Lurex. It's number 1 and it's a shiny silver yarn, and I will use also some beads for decoration. You will need a pair of scissors, a sewing needle and crochet hook 5.5 millimeters. I will start from the center with a magic ring and chain 3 at the beginning, which is my first double crochet. So 1, 2, 3 chains is the first double crochet, then chain 1 and let's make double crochet into the magic ring, following by chain 1. Then again make a double crochet and chain 1. Repeat it around till you will have 10 double crochet stitches and 10 chain 1 spaces between double crochet stitches. Still work into the magic ring. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet and chain 1, and we are almost at the end. So double crochet and chain 1, perfect, and the last stitch. You can tie the end as much as you can to close the magic ring. Count the stitches, so we have 10 double crochet stitches, and insert the hook in the third chain, 1, 2, 3, and close the round with a slip stitch. Perfect. Let's start round number 2. Let's move by slip stitch in the next chain 1 space, chain 2, and let's make a cluster of 3 double crochet stitches, which means that you will not finish double crochet. Stop here, yarn over, and let's start the second double crochet. Pull yarn through 2 and stop, yarn over, and let's make the third double crochet. Pull yarn through 2, and now we have 4 loops on the hook. Make yarn over and pull yarn through all 4 loops, and then chain 2. Let's repeat it and make a cluster of 3 double crochet stitches in the next chain space, 1, 2 and 3. Then yarn over and pull yarn through all loops on the hook and chain 2. And this is what you will repeat in each chain space. So make a cluster of 3 double crochet stitches, following by chain 2 in each chain space till you reach the beginning of row. Okay, and I will meet you at the end. Here we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 clusters. Chain 2 between them and then close the round with a slip stitch in top of the first cluster. Move by slip stitch in the next chain space and chain 2. This chain 2 at the beginning is my first half double crochet. Then let's make double crochet in the same chain space and 1 more double crochet. Then yarn over twice and let's make a treble in the same chain space. So pull yarn through 2, pull yarn through 2 and pull yarn through 2 loops on the hook. Then let's chain 3, yarn over and make 1 more treble in the same chain space. Okay, treble, then 2 doubles in the same chain space, 1 and 2, and the last stitch in this chain space is half double crochet. Perfect. So this is the pattern. Then chain 1 and make a single crochet in next chain space, chain 1, and let's repeat the pattern which we made in the first chain space. So make half double crochet, then 2 doubles, 1 and 2, then 1 treble, then chain 3, treble, two doubles, still work in the same chain space, 1 and 2, and finish the cluster with half double crochet. A chain 1 and make a single crochet in the next chain space and chain 1. This is it, and let's repeat it 3 more times. So you will have 5 repetitions around. I will meet you at the end of round. Perfect. Let me show you the group one more time. Make half double crochet, then 2 doubles, a treble, so yarn over twice, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, make a treble, so yarn over twice, then make 2 double crochet, one and 2, and then close the group with half double crochet. So this is the last stitch, half double crochet, chain 1 and single crochet in next chain space, chain 1 and slip stitch in the second chain from the beginning. Chain 2 at the beginning is the first half double crochet. So let's close the round and we are done with this amazing silver star. If you want, you can make a chain and then add the beads. So let's move by slip stitch in the middle and then chain. You can chain this part as long as you wish. It's cute, isn't it? I love this style. So chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chains. Then I will use the needle and pull the yarn through the beads. You can use 1, 2 or 3, then make a knot at the end to fix the position of the bead. And this is it. Then you can make a loop on the top of the star. So pull yarn through the middle chain like this. Of course, you can also make a chain. And again, the length is fully up to you. I will use the simple loop with the knot at the end. Then hide all ends and we are done, my crochet friends. It's super quick and easy work. This star is perfect for beginners. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you like it, please give me your thumb up and don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Wish you happy crocheting, take care and bye for now.